Hello, Gordon Patriots. This is Miss Roberts, your art teacher. I thought it would be really beneficial to show you guys how to use Pixlr and how to create the postcard, because I know there's a lot of steps and some of it's a little harder to do. So we had to think of a place that we want to use for our postcard. I'm going to do the North Carolina mountains. Let's see, mountains. Okay. I can click on images and I can choose one that I like the best. Let's say that I like this one. I'm going to save it. You can right click it and save it. I can label it as something else and I can put it in my desktop. I always like to put things in my desktop because that really helps me to find it. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go to pixlr.com. And I'm going to click on advanced. And I'm going to open my new image. So I'm going to find it in my desktop. All right. We can zoom in or out, however you choose. And I'm going to start selecting with my polygon lasso tool. So it's the circle with the loop, and then you hop over and it says polygon. I'm going to select one portion of my mountains. You can change any part of your image, and you can also leave certain parts of your image as well. Let's say that you do a cityscape and you want to keep those buildings in your art piece. You are welcome to do that. I'm going to go in with my gradient tool. It's the gray box over here, and I can choose one that I like, and I can also switch the colors around. Let's say I want a darker green. I am welcome to change anything that I like. I'm going to teach you how to do a moon or a sun. I click polygon lasso again. I'm selecting the sky. And then I'm going in with my gradient tool, choosing one that I like. I can change the colors. You have to play around with this, and that's what's the fun part about digital art, is you get to play around. Okay, I'm going to change it here so it looks like a sun, and I'm going to click radial. Maybe it can look like the sun in the sky. I want you to play around with this and change a couple of things about your image. I'm going to keep going and adding different colors into the mountains so I can change it up a little bit more. When you're done, you can file and save and download. It will download straight to your downloads or wherever it will go on your computer. From there, I'm going to drag it over to my desktop. Thank you guys, and the next video will be about Wixie.